Thank you for clicking and welcome to Bulgarian Mama Is cooking YouTube channel. In today's video I will share with you a recipe for stuffed eggplants with rice covered with mozzarella cheese and baked in tomato sauce. But before we go further, please hit that subscribe button, don't forget the bell, and let's go! First you need to bake the eggplants for about 45 minutes. Then go ahead and shred 2 medium carrots and chop about 20 grams of onions. Start with the stuffing. Preheat a cooking pan by adding a tablespoon of olive oil and 2 bay leaves. Trust me about the bay leaves, they will give a great aroma to the rice. And then saute the carrots and the onions. Shred a garlic clove, mix everything very well, and then let it cook for about 30 to 45 seconds on medium heat. Meanwhile, prepare 1 cup of rice and wash it. I like washing until the starch is removed, and how you're gonna know that is as soon as the water that comes out of the rice is clear, the starch is removed and the rice is good to go. Combine rice with veggies and let it cook on medium heat for about a minute. Now this rice will require 3 cups of water, but start by adding only 2. And then we need to add some spice to the rice. I'm gonna add paprika, nutmeg, and a little bit of salt. And add just a very little tiny bit of the nutmeg. You don't wanna go too much on that, you're not gonna like it. Don't forget to sprinkle with some dried mints. This gives just this extra freshness to the rice. Trust me about it, you're gonna love it. Then add 1 more cup of water and let the rice cook only halfway through. Now this is very important, you don't let the rice cook all the way through. And this is it. 10 minutes later the rice will look like this. As soon as the eggplants are ready and they're a little bit cooled down, go ahead and cut them in half. Try to do your very best to cut them in equal halves. Of course, if you don't, then it's not a big deal. And then remove the seeds parts. And for this, I find using a spoon very convenient and easy. And you need to slice 8 cheese pieces. The tomato sauce is super easy to make. Combine 1 cup of tomato sauce and 1 cup of water and then bring everything to boil. And then leave it on the side and let it cool down. It's time to stuff the eggplants. Prep the baking pan by adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil on the bottom. Arrange the eggplants and stuff with the rice. Cover with the mozzarella cheese or whatever cheese you'd like to use. I'm going to use 2 cheese slices per eggplant. And it's almost time to bake. The last thing that you need to do is pour the tomato sauce from the sides and then bake for about 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees or until the mozzarella cheese has this nice gold brownish color. Here is the mozzarella that I'm talking about. Now doesn't this just look amazing? Sprinkle with some chopped parsley and serve with lemon wedge. Thank you for cooking with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing, turn the bell on, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.